all the kitchens of the world. Island style kitchen is the best because them do the food them well. Utterance. You see island style, them food come first.
Yes, people, welcome back to Island Style Kitchen. Big up on yourself, whether you're a viewer or you're a subscriber. Welcome to Island Style Kitchen. Yeah, if you're new to my channel, yeah man, this is a place of fun and entertainment, and you learn how to make awesome food. Today I'm going to be making a carrot beetroot juice. Yeah man, so just stay tuned and enjoy this video. If you don't know, this is a natural juice. It's very healthy and rich in vitamin. Yeah, so you just go and watch this video and learn how to make a beetroot carrot juice. It's all natural ingredients. Nothing processed is going to be in this juice. Alright, so just stay tuned and enjoy. If you watch the video until this point, it's the perfect time, if you're new to my channel, to hit that subscribe button and show Island Style Kitchen some support and some love. Thank you very much for your support, everybody. Alright, so just stay tuned and enjoy this video. I am going to wash all the vegetables and put them through the juicer, and then I will show you what's happening when. Yes, people, so the ingredients you're going to need to make this juice: you're going to need some carrots, you're going to need some beetroot, you're going to need some ginger, some lime or lemon, and you're going to need a juicer. You're going to need a juicer or a grater. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and wash all of these and peel what is supposed to be peeled, cut off what's supposed to be cut off, and make sure everything is clean. And then I'm going to juice everything through the juicer, and you will see me back when I'm bottling.
You're not plant no bean, you're not plant no corn. Before us it is destroyed, it is there for one. May food come first. All them my pop and a pop and them said them wicked and them tough, but me food come first. Island style and utterance, yes they come for it. What a whipping and the morning and the gnashing and squeal. We not plant no farm, that's why we a feel. No wait on the pharmacist or the doctor seal. Be careful what you're taking for your meal. And what's the problem in the equation? At the simple math for us to overstand. If you eat garbage, you are go in a dip pan. Then boom bang bang, you end up in a river. That's why me food and me food and me food and me island style food and me food come first. Heads of state, my people, me beg on up.
Everything is washed and clean and ready to be juiced. Alright, over here, see there, the ginger, nice and clean, the lime them, nice and peel, carrot, nice and wash over here, and I have my bucket here, and I'm going to transfer the juice in. Over here, I have my strainer. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and make the juice now, so just watch what I go on in an island style kitchen.
Heads of state and my people, baby gonna please listen up. Oh, if we're the best, and I ain't the worst. Consuming beer, starch and poison. Mother Earth bushy island style weed and rum. When we jam the fat, that means she just get.
Alright, so I have a strainer here inside of the bucket. I'm not sure if the customer wants all of the roughage from all of the vegetables inside of the juice. I'm giving it a second strain. However, the juicer itself, it will strain the juice. So if you're a person that is comfortable with roughage, you don't have to give this a second strain.
Look out the dogs and the crops, say ask them. They want a machete and a fork, me coulda bust up them. I mean say you black one, I'm in the love for you. Dash with the nails and stop talk. Me sound not plant no bean, but not plant no. Before I sit it, wanna go on. Watch out, me food comes first. Above all the kitchens of the world, island style kitchen is the best because them do the food them well. Utterance. See island style, them food come first. All them my pop and a pop and set them wicked and them tough. We food come first. America, Caribbean and me beg no please listen up. Oh, we food are the best, and I ain't the worst. Consuming beer, starch and poison and pus. Mother Earth bushy, so we weed her up. When me jam the fat, that means she just get.
Yes, people, here you have it. This is the carrot beetroot juice, 100% organic. See it there? It's garnished nice with a piece of mint. Yes, people, go and try this juice. I'll advise everybody to invest in one of these juicer. Yeah, man, I bought this juicer over 2 years ago. Maybe 3 years now. Paid about $200 for it. Now they're available on Amazon for maybe about $300. This is not a paid promotion from Amazon, but you can go over Amazon and check out this juicer. Alright? Yeah, man. Alright, people. So here you have it. Island style kitchen carrot beetroot juice. This juice is 100% natural juice. Alright, so feel free to go and try. So if you're going to try this juice for the first time, I'll advise you to do a 60-40 ratio in terms of you use 60% of the juice and 40% water. You can also add some agave syrup to it, or you can add some honey, or if you choose to use a little bit of dark sugar, it's up to you, that's fine. The next thing, if you have high blood pressure problem, you have to be careful and consult your doctor before you drink beetroot, because beetroot will push up your blood level and your blood count and pump a whole heap of blood in your body. And so you have to be careful with beetroot and high blood pressure. Alright, so please go and try that juice right now. I got 2 gallons of juice. The customers will come and pick this up soon. You see it, nice and sealed bottle. If you're in my area and you want some juice, link up Island Style Kitchen. Alright, so right now I'm going to just drink some of this juice, make myself airy, stay safe, peace out, one love. Yeah, man, and if you're new to the channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button below. Yeah, man, one love, enough respect everybody. Island Style Kitchen at them. You know, sir, Island Style and it can't spoil.
Island Style will make you smile. Tap da 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 da. Bush, come join our experience each and every episode with Island Style Kitchen, cooking in the bush. Yaksta the bush lad said that. Waklak skum, skalai boom, bututum, bush. Hey yo, but it's scroll and clicking. Why you feel like chef over there mouth is dripping? Because they had just subscribed to Island Style Kitchen, cooking in the bush. Yaksta the bush lad and that's that. Waklak skum, skalai boom. Take it away with the gravy.